Hiya, let's get ready together for work. Now, this is one of the many videos that almost didn't make it to my YouTube channel. Actually, there's so many other videos that didn't make it to my YouTube channel in 2024. And for some reason, I was so hard on myself in 2024, not wanting to post a lot of the videos that I recorded, battling with perfectionism, making sure everything is perfect, and not wanting to post anything that isn't close to perfect. Well, I hope, and I'm working towards it, that 2025 will be a lot less perfect and just me doing what I do best, doing what I love to do, makeup, beauty content, just, enjoying the girly things of life and sharing it with you guys. So I'm hoping to do better in 2025. But anyway, this is one of the many get ready with me videos that I recorded getting ready for work. And yes, I know that foundation is dark, but honey, we have to use it. We are using up all of our things, and I'd run out of my shade, which is actually 8.5 from Ofra, and instead I used 9. I knew the concealer I was going to use was a little light, so I knew it would balance out. So we make it work, okay? I have been loving the Huda Beauty powder. I think this is shade Cinnamon Bun, and I use the Makeup Revolution banana powder to sort of lighten it up as well. But I really love how smooth that powder is. Honestly, in 2024, I do want to say some of the makeup products that I enjoyed where I found a few primers. I love the NARS foundation, the Estee Lauder foundation, the powder. I found a few eyeshadow palettes that I really, really love, and a few new lip products. So I didn't go ham in 24 buying makeup, but I found some hidden gems that I know I will continue to love, and obviously some staples. So, like my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, absolutely love it, will not stop using it. I actually got Give Me Sun, which was recommended by one of the Cosmetics ladies at the airport, and I actually quite like that shade match rather than Deep Dark, which I believe is a shade I'm using in this video. And of course, my P. Louise base is still amazing. Absolutely love it. And I am still loving my Morphe eyeshadows. I did pick up a few new eyeshadow palettes. I've got the new Beauty Bay palette. I also got what is it? A Sigma palette and maybe two other palettes in 24. I literally didn't buy a lot of eyeshadows. Literally. So I'm hoping to use more of my makeup and get into some good stuff. But when it comes to lip products, that is where I shine. So I've just been enjoying doing lip products, and I have been still posting on Instagram, on TikTok. So I know you guys miss me on YouTube, but I am still over on Instagram if you want to catch up with me or if you want to chat, ask any questions you might have. By the way, this mascara from NARS is really, really good. This is the Climax mascara. It and the Ofra mascara are two of my favorites of 2024. Literally got me together. I could count the amount of times I wore lashes. I am going to wear lashes in this video. But honestly, on a day to day basis, I could count how many times I actually wore lashes in 24. Like, I was literally wearing makeup to work almost every day. Did loads of videos, didn't post any of it. Posted a few on my Instagram, posted a few lip swatches as well. But I do want to share more because, I like using up my stuff, and I like, just doing everyday makeup and showing you guys how it looks. But yeah, anyway, like I was saying, didn't really invest too much money in makeup, but I did buy quite a lot of perfumes. Towards the start of 24, I felt really, really ill. I had already started recording my perfume collection, and then I fell ill and I couldn't complete that video. And I started off my 24 basically in February. So I felt like I was already cheated out of a month. And it sort of just put me in this weird space in 24. But anyway, 24, I'm very grateful. So many amazing things happened to me and my family, and it's only through the grace of God. So I'm incredibly grateful to be stepping into 25, feeling all confident and accomplished, and praying for God's goodness this year. But yeah, I do plan on finally recording my fragrance collection to the end. I do have a few parts on my YouTube from last year, but I do want to record a more up to date version. I don't think I'm going to do any makeup organization or declutter videos. I didn't really buy that much makeup. I do want to go through my lip products like my neutral lips, but that's about it. I have been decluttering throughout the year of my makeup and also perfumes. So I don't actually have anything that I want to declutter or really look at because I was quite diligent throughout the year doing that. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is just one of those very simple, easy everyday work looks, and it's perfect for meetings, perfect for in person video calls, or whatever the case may be. I absolutely love this look, and this was literally one of my favorite makeup looks that I do for work. And the fragrance that I wore that day is from Unique Luxury. It's a niche house, and this one is an aphrodisiac touch, and I absolutely love this fragrance, and I can't wait to tell you guys more about it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to adding more videos to my channel in 2025. I'm going to put it out there. I'm aiming for 10K, so please share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in a future one. Bye.